I'm Michael Boyce, CEO of Simple Tech Solutions. The big news this week comes from Microsoft, with the announcement that they're skipping Windows 9 and going directly to Windows 10. We'll be blogging about the changes coming in Windows 10, but for now, please don't bother buying a Windows 8 computer. Here at Simple Tech, we completely bypassed Windows Vista and went straight to Windows 7. And that's what we're going to do with Windows 8. We're going to skip it entirely and go directly to Windows 10. If you must buy a Windows computer, get it with Windows 7 and wait for the .1 version of 10. We can help you get one. It looks like Microsoft Windows 10 will be available later in 2015, according to Microsoft. Now, speaking of PCs, Hewlett-Packard announced it's splitting in two, creating one company for the enterprise hardware, software, and services business, and that's going to be known as Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. The other company will have the PC and printer business, and that's going to be HP Inc. They get to keep the HP logo. Now, not to be a pessimist, but do they really believe that their problem is with their structure? I'm not one that thinks the PC business is going away anytime soon, but PCs and printers are certainly not going to be growth businesses. In other news, Marriott must pay a $600,000 fine for blocking customers and exhibitors' Wi-Fi hotspots at its Gaylord Opryland Hotel and Convention Center. That was a mouthful. Marriott then charged the clients $250 to $1,000 to use the hotel's Wi-Fi. Marriott defended their actions, saying their customers weren't smart enough to figure out how to use hotspots without being hacked. Marriott wants the FCC to change its rules, but I'd just like to see bigger fines. Since it's another week, of course we have more data breaches. Earlier this week, it was AT&T where an employee made off with 1,600 customers' data, but we don't know why. AT&T said they fired the employee, and all is well. The bigger breach news was on October 2nd, when J.P. Morgan Chase revealed in an SEC filing that hackers made off with data on up to 76 million clients. Unlike Target and Home Depot, J.P. Morgan hasn't been very forthcoming with information on the breach, and that's only because legally they don't have to. If the board of directors was criminally and civilly liable, they'd treat our data more seriously. That's all for this week. I'd like to thank eWeek, InfoWorld, CNET, Computer World, and the New York Times for information on these updates. Give us a call if you have any questions about technology. Thanks!